Alex Jones retains Infowars amid legal disputes over auction and ownership. In a dramatic legal twist, Alex Jones, the embattled conspiracy theorist behind Infowars, has managed to hold on to control of his controversial platform, at least for now. A bankruptcy judge recently rejected the satirical outlet The Onion's successful auction bid for Infowars and scheduled a new hearing to determine the fate of the platform. This decision has drawn attention to the broader implications of Jones's financial woes, legal troubles, and ongoing influence on his followers. The saga began in November when Infowars was put up for auction as part of a court-ordered bankruptcy liquidation. This measure followed Jones's $1.5 billion defamation judgment for spreading false claims that the 2012 Sandy Hook Elementary School shooting was a hoax. Families of the victims successfully sued Jones for damages, citing emotional distress and harassment from his followers. The Onion's bid of $1.75 million, coupled with a promise from the Sandy Hook families to waive part of their financial claims, won the auction. A competing bid of $3.5 million was submitted by First United American Companies, a business reportedly linked to Jones. The higher bid raised eyebrows, especially since it aligned with Jones's desire to keep Infowars under sympathetic control. Jones has since alleged that the Onion's bid involved collusion and fraud, claims the bankruptcy court has agreed to review. Judge Christopher Lopez's decision to delay the final ruling allows Jones to remain at the helm of Infowars, pending the new hearing. The auction was part of a broader liquidation of Jones's assets, intended to compensate the Sandy Hook families and other creditors. Jones's financial troubles stem from years of controversial content, which has led to multiple lawsuits, advertiser boycotts, and deplatforming from major social media networks. Despite these challenges, Jones continues to operate from a newly established studio and maintains active social media accounts, including a personal presence on X, formerly Twitter, with over 3 million followers. While these accounts were not part of the original liquidation, their inclusion in future legal proceedings remains a possibility. Adding to the complexity, the legal team representing X has opposed any sale of Infowars-affiliated accounts, asserting that they are property of the platform and cannot be transferred without consent. This dispute underscores the broader struggle over digital assets and the extent to which they can be monetized in bankruptcy cases. What happens next? The new hearings, set for mid-December, will determine whether the Onion can proceed with its purchase of Infowars, whether the auction should be reopened, or whether the platform will go to the higher bidder. Each scenario carries significant implications. If the satirical news outlet gains control, it could potentially transform Infowars into a parody platform, marking a sharp departure from its current tone and content.